Hey guys, it's me, Aiden, and today we're going to learn how to make a new origami. It's called Me. Don't you get it? It's the yellow bird that's flapping its wings. Okay, you guys give up. It's the Origami Flapping Crane, which can actually flap. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, let's start. To make Me, you'll need a piece of origami paper or a piece of square, which I think is basically the same. So let's start making Me. We're going to start by folding this up there. Place it very well. Open that up, turn it over like that. And I'm going to fold that over to there. I'm going to open that up. As you see, it's going to be like that. Open to it, turn it over, and fold it in half. Going to open that up, and as you see, we fold it like this. We're going to turn it over and then fold it in half like this. Okay, now we're going to hold, as you see, we folded here. We're going to hold on the parts which are like the edges over here, not like those, and over here, and we're going to do this till these form like that. We're going to fold this onto one side, on the back, this onto that side, and then flatten it out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this to the middle. Fold this to the middle. Now we're going to fold this down like that. Now we're going to open this and open that. And now here comes the hard part. We're going to take this, pull it up, and not like these two flaps. We're going to keep those down, and we're going to fold that up. We're going to make sure we're going to straighten that up and make sure that line reaches that. And then this is for the wings, so do that and do that with the other side. Now we're going to do the other wing, which is we're going to fold this to the middle. Fold this to the middle. We're going to fold this down along the crease. And we're going to open these. And I'll review this a little slower. We're going to pull this up, but not these. Now there's only two, but we're going to do that and then roll up there. We're going to make sure these are straight like that, not crumbly, and then we're just going to fold this to the middle. Do that with the other side. Oh. And now we're almost done. We're going to fold this over like that, one of the flaps. Fold the big flap up. Then we're going to close that flap. Do that with the other side. Open that flap. Pull that up. And now we have to adjust kind of like this part and that. So we're going to take one of them and we're going to pull them as much as we need. I'm not going to pull them that much. But yeah. We're going to fold this part too. Now we're going to work on the head. We're going to take one of the corners and we're going to fold it as much as you want it. And now we're going to open that up and do reverse fold by open this up, and as you see, we fold it out so the crease will kind of actually help you, and then yep, you got it. Now we're going to open this up and do that, and we're going to open that up and do this. Now how to fly is like the tricky part. Instead of like pulling this down like this, we have to like pull it out. Like pull it out. So that is how you do it. So we're done making it. Well done, guys, or people. You have now made a clone of me, or the Origami Flapping Bird. And there it is. Whoa, that can't talk? Whoa, that is very weird. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also, I'm going to flap my wing very fast. Whoa, wow! Bye.